Drivers of electric vehicles can technically get by with typical tires you might find on any other passenger vehicle, but they'll quickly realize they're better off with tires built specifically for EV applications. We'll explain why, as well as some care tips for EV tires, next. Buying tires that can carry the weight of the car is always important, but it is absolutely crucial when choosing an electric car tire. Due to the weight of EVs, which can be as much as 10 or 20% greater than their internal combustion engine counterparts, drivers need stronger tires on these vehicles. A tire's rolling resistance also takes on an even greater importance for electric cars. Lower rolling resistance means increased electric range and higher efficiency, while also contributing to the driver's overall sustainability. Noise might be the most apparent issue when driving an EV with non-EV specific tires. In the absence of engine sound, low noise tires contribute to a smooth and silent driving experience by reducing the amount of tire noise transferred to the passenger cabin. To increase EV tire longevity, drivers should know tire maintenance is especially important, especially due to the increased torque these vehicles are known for. As with other tires, drivers should check their air pressure of their EV tires regularly and adjust when necessary. Correct wheel alignment will reduce tire wear and should be checked at least every 6 months, or sooner if the driver recently has hit a curb, pothole, or other obstacle. The driver's friendly neighborhood tire dealer can check for excessive wear, especially on the inside edge of the tire, and will recommend an alignment or rotation as needed. If possible, EV drivers should replace their tires with original equipment models, which were not only designed for the needs of the electric vehicles, but also specifically made to fit the precise model they are driving. I'm David Sickels, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Studio, Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.